to Simon stuff. Everybody else is allowed to talk.
Hello and welcome to S&J TV1 and Simon Stuff with special guest Huang.
More.
Today we are visiting the Wills Memorial Building, which is behind us there. We'll be seeing the Great Hall, some libraries, and most importantly, the Great George Bell, which is the 9th biggest bell in Britain and the biggest bell in Bristol. Try saying that after a few pints. So let's go and have a look and see what it's all about. The entrance is an imposing space, with the main features being the fan-vaulted ceiling, some 75 feet high, the stained glass window depicting numerous shields, and the double staircase. The Great Hall is used for graduation ceremonies, public and private events, and exams, which is how it was set up during my visit. The building and the hammer beam roof were badly damaged during the Blitz in World War II. They were restored to their former glory in the early 60s. The hall is used for public exhibitions and hosted the Gaia work of art that you can see in another one of my videos. At 215 feet tall, the Wills Tower is the third tallest structure in Bristol and around twice the height of nearby Cabot Tower. There are magnificent views from the top, but to get there you have to climb 345 steps, which are narrow and windy in parts. I was blessed with a fine sunny day for my visit, and the views from the top were splendid. I would recommend a pair of binoculars to get the best experience. I didn't think to take a pair and wished I had. In the distance, there's the Clifton Suspension Bridge. You get a very good view of Cabot Tower, Bristol Cathedral, and the City Hall. On the way down, check out the graffiti. Some of it dates back to the 60s and even the 40s. Cast in 1924, the Great George Bell is 6'9" high and has a diameter of 8'4" and weighs over 9 tons. It is reputed to be the finest E-flat bell in Europe and is one of the deepest toned bells in the world. The final rooms to see before the tour comes to an end are the libraries and council chambers. To book a place on the tour, call Bristol 954 5219 or email tower-tours@bristol.ac.uk. Tours are held every first Wednesday of the month at 12:30 p.m, the first Saturday of the month at 11 a.m, and every Saturday at 1 p.m. Prices for the tour, which lasts around about 90 minutes, start from £4. Children under 8 are not permitted. Money raised from the tours goes to the Grand Appeal for the Bristol Children's Hospital. Links are in the description below. head on over to S&J TV2 for extended content. Well, thanks for watching Simon's Stuff. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you again soon.
Bye.
If you'd like to subscribe to S&J TV, click on the banner up there. We have a second channel you might be interested in seeing as well, and that's S&J TV2, and there's another banner up there, and there's some videos over there you might be interested in watching.